Hello, I'm in a 2004 BMW X5 and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first we go from the driver's side here. You should see a lever like this that you can pull. You should feel a little resistance. If you don't at all, probably back behind this plastic there might be a cable or something loose you'll need to address. But once you have that hood popped, most vehicles there's a release somewhere towards the middle. So here it is in this vehicle. That's what the inside of that looked like, where that lever was I just pulled. Hooks onto here. If you're having issues with it coming up, maybe double check that the hood's straightened properly. Maybe spray a little WD-40 up in here to loosen this. Make sure there's no debris or gunk stuck in here. Same with the bottom end. But otherwise I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.